Oh my goodness. Plus Corporation Japan just sent us the Kaite 10.3. This is the smaller unit, labeled the B5. It has to do with the size of the paper, but essentially this is the smaller 10.3 model. And yes, we will get into a full comparison in sizes in the full review, but man, these things have been blowing up. This, if you're new to what this is an electronics-free, battery-free e-note. And just to sneak something into the shot, because we already did it, this is the 13.3 and this is the big boy. But now we have the 3rd gen small guy in the studio, and this comes in peach orange. Let's crack it open. I absolutely love this unit. So what we're seeing here is the brand new 3rd generation super white background. Look how white that is. This is such a clean surface, and you can tell the white balance is not changing or any trickery happening because that's white, and that's pretty darn white as well. Obviously that's super white. It needs to be gray to some degree, and if you watch our other review video on the cards and the end roll, you'll see we put this under a microscope showing you how it works. Basically, we'll do some overlays, is that this has little particles that make their way to the surface when you apply a magnet to it. And we're going to cover this in the full review of the small one. So as you draw a line, the little magnets come to the surface, and you'll see right there that we have a very high contrast line. Never before seen to this level of crispness on a Kaite. The 1st and 2nd gen and the 43-inch 3rd gen were pretty good. This one is very good. I like this thing a lot. The erasing is extremely easy as well. We're going to get into a full review. We're going to show you guys a screen comparison. We're going to show you the application, how all that works, because a lot of people are asking how the app works, etc. This is the all new mini-sized in comparison to the bigger unit it has, plus Kaite in all new peach orange color. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, or just want to tell us all about the beauty of this quote-unquote adult etch-a-sketch, as a lot of people have been saying, let us know in the comments down below. Stay tuned for the full review.